So let's say it's a Saturday afternoon and you're holding an open house. You get somebody that walks in, you get excited, oh, maybe this person will want to buy this house. Maybe they'll want to buy a house. Let's go help them out. Only to find out, oh yeah, they're the neighbor that came in. Just wanting to come over and be nosy. Well, look, they're not just over there to be nosy. They're over there to find out the competition if they decide to sell their house. They want to see what that house looks like and how it compares to their house. So if they want to sell their house, they've got an idea of what this house looks like and maybe what they're competing with, or they want to see how much that house sells for. They're interested in real estate, which is why they're coming into this open house. They've got better things to be doing. It's not just because they're nosy, it's because they're curious. So pique their curiosity, establish a relationship with them. And they're probably not going to end up selling their house today or tomorrow or maybe even this month, but eventually. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when they're going to sell their house. NAR, the National Association of Realtors, says every 5 to 7 years. Hopefully it's a lot sooner. If they're coming into an open house, it's probably going to be sooner. Stay in touch with them, establish a relationship, and be there when they're ready to sell.